Good morning, parents, teachers, and students. How are you? I hope everything is well with you.
Welcome to Nursery Special Assembly. Today is a special day for nursery class. These are the activities that they like the most during the online class. It was not easy at the beginning. However, with great effort from parents, teachers, and all stakeholders, we are proud to finally present the program.
This month, the students learned about weather. They learn and explore the weather and express their feelings through various activities that we had in the class. Therefore, their performances are also related to the theme. The boys will dance to Itsy Bitsy Spider, followed by the girls' dance entitled I'm a Little Teapot. Lastly, they will sing and dance to the music entitled Do Re Mi.
Now, let's start with the prayer led by Joya.
Friends, are you ready to pray? Yes, we are. Hands together, close your eyes. Thank you, God, for making me. Eyes and nose, hands and feet, ears to ears, and lips to say, and a heart that beats for you. And the heart that beats for you. Thank you for the world so sweet, dum-dee-dum. Thank you, God, for being yum-yum. Thank you, God, your word that sings, going. Thank you, God, for everything. Amen.
It's time to present the children's performances. But before that, let's take a look at the things that the nursery students have been busy with in the classroom.
The itty bitty spider went up the water spout, down in the rain, and washed the spider out. Up came the sun and dried up all the rain, and the itty bitty spider went up the spout again. Come on, come on. The itty bitty spider went up the water spout, down came the rain, and washed the spider out. Up in the sun and dried up all the rain, and the itty bitty spider went up the spout again. Come on, come on. Hey, hey, hey. spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Up came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again. The itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Up came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again.
I'm a little teapot, short and stout. This is my handle, this is my spout. When I get the steam up, hear me shout. Tip me over and pour me out. I'm a little teapot, short and stout. This is my handle, this is my spout. When I get the steam up, hear me shout. Tip me over and pour me out.
Let's start at the very beginning. A very good place to start. When you read, you begin with A, B, C. When you sing, you begin with Do, Re, Mi. Do, Re, Mi. Do, Re, Mi. The first three notes just happen to be Do, Re, Mi. Do, Re, Mi. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti. All right, I'll make it easier. Listen. Do, a deer, a female deer. Re, a drop of golden sun. Mi, a name I call myself. Fa, a long, long way to run. So, a needle pulling thread. La, a note to follow. A drink with jam and bread that will bring us back to dough. Oh, 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 dough. A deer, a female deer. Ray, a drop of golden sun. Me, a name I call myself. Fa, a long, long way to run. So, a needle pulling thread. La, a note to follow. So, tea, a drink with jam and bread that will bring us back to dough. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Do, so, do.
Wow, such a wonderful performance, right? You must be proud of yourself, children.
Thank you everyone for watching. Have a great day.